Welcome to Morning Glory, Nature's Wake-Up Call. In this episode, we'll explore the enchanting world of the morning glory flower. Morning glory, with its vibrant blooms that unfurl with the sunrise, is a symbol of new beginnings and the beauty of each day. These captivating vines can be found gracing gardens, trellises, and fences around the world, offering a burst of color and a daily dose of natural wonder. A daily unfolding. One of the most enchanting characteristics of morning glory lies in its blossoms, gracefully unfurling each morning with the rising sun and slowly closing their petals as the day gracefully progresses, casting a spellbinding and ever-changing spectacle for all to behold. A colorful palette. Morning glory flowers paint a breathtaking canvas with their stunning array of hues, ranging from mesmerizing blues and regal purples to delicate pinks, pure whites, and fiery reds. Each distinct color offers its vibrant brushstroke, enriching the garden's tapestry with a symphony of nature's vibrant shades. Climbing beauty. Morning glory vines are renowned for their climbing nature, making them perfect for covering trellises, arbors, and fences with their lush foliage and blooms. A symbol of possibilities. These flowers are often associated with the start of a new day, offering a reminder that each morning brings endless opportunities and the chance for growth. Low-maintenance elegance. Morning glory vines are known for their ease of care, making them a beloved choice for both experienced gardeners and those new to the world of gardening. Fascinating facts about morning glory. Morning glory belongs to the Ipomoea genus and is part of the Convolvulaceae family. The name, morning glory, reflects the flower's habit of unfurling in the morning light and closing later in the day. Morning glory is native to various regions, including tropical and subtropical areas in the Americas. Some species of morning glory are grown for their seeds, which are used in traditional medicine and contain various alkaloids. Morning glory flowers typically have trumpet-shaped blooms. The heavenly blue morning glory, Ipomoea tricolor, is famous for its striking azure blue flowers. These vines can grow vigorously and reach impressive heights, often exceeding 10 feet. Morning glory flowers are often visited by pollinators such as bees and butterflies. The morning glory has cultural significance in different parts of the world, often symbolizing love and affection. In some regions, morning glory is considered an invasive species due to its rapid growth. A daily delight. Morning glory, with its daily unfolding and colorful blossoms, is a reminder of the beauty that can be found in the simplest moments of each day. Its ability to bring color and wonder to gardens has made it a cherished choice for gardeners and admirers of natural beauty. As we reach the end of our exploration in Morning Glory, Nature's Wake-Up Call, may you be imbued with inspiration drawn from the daily ritual and the elegant ascent of these remarkable flowers, reminding us of the beauty and resilience found in the simplicity of nature's wonders.